that every time I say spirituality and cleanse and pure. I'm gonna have y'all hoes drunk. What's up, YouTube? My name's Aja. Welcome to my channel. Hey, Pierre. Hi. Yes. Get your toy. So he's gonna be behind me. If y'all hear any type of noise, he's the little devil causing it. That's Pierre, my little puppy. But I just wanted to bring you a quick, casual video all about Florida water. Yes, Florida. Here's a new fresh bottle right here. Florida water. A quick history of it. 1808, Robert Murray created this cologne. You might be able to see on the jars, usually it'll say Murray and Lemon, Florida water, New York, or Florida, New York. And it is a cologne, a parfum, a scented water, a scented like alcohol with citrus and lavender smells in it. Florida water is also called Fountain of Youth water because they say that the Fountain of Youth is in Florida. You know, that old wives' tale. It has a very floral scent to it as well. So a citrusy, floral, lavendery type of cologne smell. It's so clean, so fresh, so pure. I love this stuff. Carry it around in your purse. Just have it on your altar. I have this really funny Target furniture. It says Wicked Potions on it. And I have been storing my potions and my oils and my cleansing sprays, everything like that on it. And Florida water was used a lot back in African American hoodoo and voodoo, and they really brought like this spirituality out of the cologne. You know, Robert used it as cologne. We used it for cleansing and purifying. Crap. Actually, my hands are ashy and I really hope they don't look too bad in the camera. And I got a red lipstick on my hands. Y'all, this is so casual. I was just getting ready. I wanted to record super quickly. And also you find it a lot in the botanicas, in the bodegas, in Spanish grocery stores because it's used a lot by Latin Catholics, spiritual Latin women, Latin American women. Hi. 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 Pierre. Move. Stop it. And nowadays you can get Florida water in so many different forms. I have a Florida water soap, and this is perfect for cleansing baths, for cleansing showers, for ritual baths, ritual showers. I always use it to wash my hands before any type of spell work. Use it to wash your hands before any type of divination, before any type of energy work, before working with your universe, before praying, before reading your Bibles, before studying. It's awesome to use as just a soap bar so you're able to cleanse your hands spiritually and physically, which is so important. Cleanse your hand chakras, take a shower with it, cleanse your aura before you start any type of spiritual work. And this is perfect, the Florida water soap. It's so cool. And then you just get it in the traditional cologne as well. And this is traditionally what you see everyone use. You just pour it onto your hands, cleanse your aura, cleanse the energy around you, cleanse your objects, get it on your hands, pat it together, cleanse your hands, anoint your forehead, really cleanse any type of object that you're about to work with, any type of divination tools. You can use the regular Florida water, and I'm gonna give you a whole list of things you can use it with right after I explain this. Lastly, they also have it in an air freshener can, a deodorizer. This is amazing. Literally, boom, spiritually cleanse the area. It's that easy. I could spray it on objects, spray it in my physical area when I'm doing any type of spiritual work, spray it around me, cleanse my aura with it, cleanse the room, cleanse your home, cleanse your space, cleanse your altars with this, and you can literally hit everything in one time and have that spiritual purity with you. And this is my little handheld one, goes in my purse, goes with me everywhere. I use it in my videos. You see that all the time because this is just a little to-go one. It's so much easier than bringing out the big daddy cans that I have open or whipping this out all the time. But I always shower and ritual bath with this. Use the air freshener and deodorizer, so it comes in 3 different forms. It's so nice. It comes in any form you want. If you just want to use it to cleanse your room, to cleanse your spaces, use this. If you just want to use it to add to potions, to cleanse your hands with, to add it to your mop water and cleanse the floors, I'm going to explain all that, then you can just get this. If you just want to take spiritual baths and just want to cleanse your aura with it, just get the body soap. It's perfect. It's so easy. It comes in so many different forms now so that you can really use it any way you want. So Florida water, spiritually, is used for cleansing, purification, ritual work, cleansing before your ritual work, consecrating and blessing. You can turn it into holy water. Bless it with the Psalm 23. I've told you guys I bless everything with the Psalms 23. And you can use it then for consecrating and blessing things and as holy water. You can use it to cleanse your aura, use it to remove bad vibes from yourself, from the room, from a specific object, possibly a divination tool, a witchy tool that you're about to use in a spell work or anything like that. Use it to remove any negative vibes and only welcome in positive energy. What are you doing? You want to use it to clear any energy, clear any interference that you're having in your EMF, for energy protection, for protection of yourself spiritually, for protection against curses, for prosperity, for banishing, for exorcism, for positivity. The list goes on and on and on. You can literally use Florida water for everything. It's such a perfect tool that you can use. And you can use it easily in so many different ways, like spray. Spray your room around you, cleanse the room around you. You can use the soap, spiritually cleanse yourself, do ritual baths, cleanse your aura with it while you're in the shower. You know, scrub yourself down with the soap. It's awesome. Wash your hands with it. Cleanse your hand chakra, cleanse your feet chakras before you do any spiritual work. Cleanse your home and remove any negative energy. You can wear it daily as a cologne, keep it in your purse, wear it as a perfume, and you will have that cleansing carried around with you. Every time you smell it, you'll start thinking of those pure intentions, those positive intentions, and it's perfect to just wear daily as a cologne. Use it in your baths, put a little bit in your pet's bath water so that you can cleanse their aura as well. Use it when you're cleansing their objects, when you're cleansing their things, like cleansing their bowls and stuff. Use a little Florida water in with your dish soap or whatever, you know, non-toxic, safe soap, but use a little to cleanse your pet's auras too. Sorry if the angle slightly changed or anything slightly changed, my bad. Add it to your Mrs. Myers, cleanse your counters with it, add it to your mop water, cleanse your floors with it, spiritually cleanse the floors of your home so that you can be grounded in your space, so that your space can be pure. Use it on any of the doors, any windowsills. Add it to a room spray and really get that going. Spray all the doors down, physically spray the windows down, spray your home, spray your area. Use it to clean spiritual objects, magical tools, cleanse your crystals with them. Florida water is literally used for everything. Use it to bless and anoint things. That Psalm 23. Get that Psalm 23 in here, and y'all know I literally bless like everything, consecrate everything, make it all be able to be used for divination. Use it to cleanse your chakras, cleanse your aura, cleanse your crown chakra, you know, wash your hair with it, add it to your shampoo or your conditioner so that you get that Florida water into your scalp, into your crown chakra. Use it to anoint your third eye and your throat chakra to speak your truth, for divination, clairvoyance, spirituality. Take a shot every time I say spirituality and cleanse and pure. I'm gonna have y'all hoes drunk. Use it in a pedicure or manicure. Add this to the water and soak your hands and feet in it. Soak your hand chakras, soak your feet chakras. This is amazing to add to pedicures and really nourish your body. Really cleanse yourself. Then go paint your nails and pamper. Florida water is great to pamper yourself with. Use it to raise the vibes before a spell. Use it to raise the vibes during a spell. Raise the vibes of any objects. Raise the energy in the room. You can add it to your own perfume. So while I said use it as a perfume by itself, you can definitely add it to any other fragrance that you already have. Get that little spirituality while you're out and about. Every time you know, get a whiff of your arms, have it be a little bit of Florida water on there, on your chest, in those heated spots. So your your weenus, that's what this is called. Your little arm weenus. Add it to a pillow mist. It's perfect for a room spray, a pillow mist, before you go to sleep, because it can really prevent nightmares, help you if you've been having bad dreams, help you lucid dream, help you with your spirituality while you're dreaming, so that you can be connected with your subconscious mind, make it conscious while you're sleeping, while you're dreaming. These will help prevent any bad dreams, bring it positive energy while you're sleeping. Put it in a pillow mist. Put it on a bed linen mist. It's perfect for that. And add it to your laundry, add it to fabric fresheners, so that you can spray it on your blankets, and you can spray it. You can spray on your blankets, spray it on your clothes. Have like spiritual clothes that you wear for your rituals. Have maybe specific clothes that you wear for your rituals, or if you're wearing a specific color that day for a ritual. Use this on your clothes before you meditate, you know, after you cleanse yourself with it in the bath. Spray yourself, spray your clothes, everything. It'll just make a perfect meditation space. Cleanse your tarot card deck, cleanse your oracle card decks, cleanse any type of objects that have energy. All the mail that you get, cleanse that. Cleanse your candles before spell work. Cleanse all your items before spell work. Cleanse your pens before you write. Cleanse your Bibles and your divination books. Cleanse the books that you study from. Cleanse your homework, cleanse your schoolwork before you read a book. Cleanse the pages. Really get your intuition into the pages, into the book. Really infuse the book with your own energy. Use it around, get it all over your hands, and then pet your puppies. Use it all over your hands and then pet your animals. All over your hands when you get something new. Just literally, you can literally just go like this and cleanse the space around you physically with your hand. Cut any bad ties, cut any severed ties with Florida water. It's perfect. Add it to your moon water. Charge it in the moon. You can always charge this for full moon cycles. You can leave it outside all the time if you want, every single night. Charge it with the different energies of the moon, and that would be awesome to make it a tool for divination. Charge it with that moon energy. Take a shot every time I've said spirituality in this fucking video. But seriously, it's pure, it's cleansed. Every time I say pure and clean, take a shot. But no, Florida water is awesome. I hope this video is as quick as I think it's gonna be. I'm not gonna give you every single, you know, use that you can use it for, but I hope I gave you enough and just a little bit of background. So thank you so much for getting to the end of this video with me and Pierre. I'm so glad you made it to the end. I hope that you learned some new things to use Florida water with. It inspires you to go out to get some. Maybe you just got some new Florida water and you are watching this video. Hi, if you are watching this video because you just got some Florida water and you want to find out what to do with it, or you've been thinking about getting some and you just want to know real quick what to do with it. Okay, bye Pierre, bye. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching this video all about Florida water. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out another one. Bye. Peace. Peace.